location. Contact number 8765658124.
Yo. Shop boss family again. Yeah man people. Popcaan X people. Yeah man. So she been threatening. People like she wanna say a Popcaan threatening her. Or Popcaan friends them threatening her people. Yeah man, check her out people. Hear what she say. You understand what I say? And tell me people what to think people about this one. Yeah man. Popcaan X, she been threatened. So people, listen. Yeah man, people, Shop Boss TV production people, you don't know. Yeah man, we are working. Yes, we are working. Yeah man, up like heaven.
I said nobody, you guys telling me that he can hurt me? If something wrong with me, no, you think police are going to look for or lock up? When I feel like say it just a go so, and my family them go sit down and make him hurt me so. When I feel like say him so mighty and powerful to come hurt me. When I idiot? When I'm blood clot idiot? Huh? Tell no God say if you stop me. That is it. I'm done talk. I'm done. Remember say one time the seller girl did dead and trick me and tell me say no go come at me house come kill me and no could do me no at all. And the whole of no come for my life come tell me say me I put myself in a danger to talk to a man who is a stalker is a stalker. Eh? A man we can't even come out and say nothing at all. If you say you know say I lie that girl I tell her all no care say no attack. I know say I true. Yeah. And now you can't tell me if you come off of this because I don't come for my life with it. It's not me just to get up and talk about it. Because I don't talk when I talk from the day when time I post say to tell the man to stop me. I was done. You come on the talk say my bad mind, the woman, the girl, I don't know the girl. You come on the talk this, my bad mind, me this, me that. Man I fuck up my body and them something there. And me for shame say man fuck body or him for shame. And I say no weird. Me not sell pussy for a living. Me can't tell them like the
People, listen to the background. Listen people good in the background. No Poppy song that shall listen. People, listen good. No Poppy song that. Listen people.
For myself, I mean I go up on the road every night and say me a catch man. Me not sell pussy for a living. Me not sell pussy for a living. Me can't say me go up on the road, go bleach every night for say me I try catch a man to pay my rent. I would be lying on myself. I'm a cam model and I have a OnlyFans. And that I safest thing when me can ever do cause when you meet strangers can cut your neck. You understand? So this is a different thing. You understand? It's safer and plus it's different. You understand? You can catch AIDS when you self-fuck. I don't self-fuck. You understand? Straight. You can catch AIDS, man can kill you. Man can do all sort of things. People can set you up. Girl can hate you and set you up on them something. So I don't do those things. I know now you can't say, oh, I want to meet up with you and give you $1 million or $100,000 or $50,000. I can't use no gunman friend them for you to kill me them way there. That me I tell you because me and them can't before so. Me go in a one club, go do bartending or go turn back a go before so. But you never ever catch me and do certain things because me know people wicked and evil and how man stay. Me never feel like say me too invincible. Me? You have to live your life with caution and live your life on a different level. You understand what I say? Yeah. You have to be careful nowadays, especially as women. As it's sad to see so much of us women dying. So much of us women dying. Right? It's sad to see that person when I mute the people, me I go remove you as a moderator because me not like the idea of muting people. Just block the people them. So who you make content with, yeah, you can get blocked too. I'm shocked that he's being rejected by you most of the time. Them are reject women because of who they are. Exactly. Enough of them shocked too because them feel like say, you know, exactly. Exactly. Remember, you know, the other day one rapper come to Jamaica. And when the rapper come to Jamaica, the man would have called on my phone. I said the man called on my phone, you know. I said people the man called on my phone. I know I did not go around him. I did not go around him. I don't know, but I'm just the kind of girl, you see me not feel the energy, I just not go around you. And maybe tell you why I never really go around the person. I never go around the person simply because of some stuff when I see online, I just have that feeling. And I never leave starstruck when time the person message me. And then first to come for call me, FaceTime me and him Sunday. I just was like, okay, I'm coming, and then I come up with that excuse because you know some people you can just brush them off and tell them no, like just that you just try to keep it calm and cool. I did not go nowhere at all. I just hold my own because at the end of the day you have to understand say and everything you have to go for. Sometimes you have to just make some people stay up on a level and know say if them say them heal one way, you just heal them back. You can't go for everything because and everything later that is goal. Understand? Yeah. And a lot of people, especially women who know experience famous men, they think that they are not human beings and they don't function like normal men they do. Because I could remember also having a situation with another entertainer where that was years ago though, where I basically did stay at Kingston, but I did not live here at the time. And it's like me and the person was talking, we wasn't like dating, like we never did. I was talking, you know, with that talk online first, and basically what happened is that we did end up go, I don't remember if we go, I think we go somewhere. We met in real life. I think we spoke online multiple times and then we end up met in real life. And I think we went somewhere and we end up fuck. Anyways, after that the person did something that was very like, you know, it was very weird. What they did was they called the phone like 9 times. And then pop up to the house that I was staying at, which is not my house. So then pop up to the house, have one big road block on the main road. Remember, he's an entertainer. Stop at the front of the yard, the front of the people in place with how much car they there. Send man come in for come knock up on my door. Send people come in for come knock up on my door. And I had to went out there with my man in face and do all of that. So most of the woman don't feel like so because somebody is an entertainer.
Yes, people like that from Papi X. Yes, man, I say, but people, look into it, people. Just look into it. Papi in a trouble still, you know. You understand what I say? Papi in a trouble. Because based upon what the girl talk, I say, she'll get threatened, or probably she'll say, well, she'll get threatened from Papi or something, or from him friend him or something, people. Yes, man, I say, if anything happen to this girl, you know, see, a Papi police will go find the people. So yo, watch out, Papi need to come out and clear his name. It's me say, Papi need to come out and back up this girl back in her garage and make sure she knows about Bonify. Yo, watch out. And make we know, not she make we know. If him fans them, make him fans them know about Bonify. Yo, no. Him now check the girl that. Yes, me say. Right? I'm friend him now check this girl that. Yes, me say, bro. But yo, as we say, people, as we me say, we say, Papi in a trouble. You understand what I say? So him need to come out and clear his name. You understand what I say, people? Yeah, man, Shop Boss TV, people. It's what I say. Big up on yourself, people. It's what I say. Shop Boss TV production, people. Up top. No. Up top like heaven, people. Up top. Yeah, man.